Morning students. Now again welcome back to class 10 mathematics class after summer break. In the last 3 days we had done the revision of the topics that we have done in the month of April and May, and also today we have taken one online test. Now let us start the further topics of the chapter 3, solving pair of linear equation two variables. We have already done the first two method, that is graphical method as well as substitution method. Now today we are going to learn the third one, the new method, that is elimination method. What do you mean by the word elimination? Elimination means just to remove. Here we have two types of variable, x or y, and you have to solve the equation, both the equation. We have two equations with two variables x and y. We have to solve these two equations using elimination method. So that first of all you have to decide which variable is to be eliminated, removed, either x or y. I will give you an explanation by doing the question 1 of exercise 3.4 part 2. I am reading the question. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the method of elimination and substitution method. I will do only elimination method. Substitution method you know earlier, so that you can do by yourself. Even you solve a pair of linear equation by any method, the answer should be same, that you must remember. Now I am writing the equation. 3x plus 4y equal to 10 is the first equation. Second equation is 2x minus 2y equal to 2. And just after writing the equation, it is better to name the equation as 1 and 2. After writing this, see, you have to think which variable that you want to eliminate first. Here see the coefficient of x, that is 3 and 2, both are prime numbers. In such cases, it is better to avoid if you are not getting any another way. For example, here see the coefficient of y is 4 here and here minus 2, and 4 is the multiple of 2. In such cases, it is better to eliminate such type of variable. Here I am eliminating the variable y. And in order to eliminate y, I have to convert the coefficient of the variable y equal to 4 in the place of 2. We will get 2 from 4 by multiplying by 2. That is why I am multiplying equation 2 by 2. That means 4x minus 4y equal to 2. That is equation 3. Again, just write the equation first, just below of the equation 3, for reducing the mistakes. That is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Now see, here we have converted the coefficient of variable y in both equations as 4. Now this much we have done. Now the next step is see the sign of the coefficient. If the coefficients are having same sign, this thing you should bring in your mind. The coefficients are having same sign, you have to subtract the equation. And if the coefficients are having, if both are of plus sign, you have to subtract. If both are of minus sign, you have to subtract. If the coefficients are having opposite sign, then you have to add. That means in the first equation it is of plus sign, second minus. If you add plus sign with minus sign, it will be deleted. Now see, here sign are opposite. Sign are opposite means you have to add. And I am adding 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 7x. These are getting cancelled. 7x equal to 14 implies x equal to 2. Now the value of x is found out. That means here we have eliminated y. The variable which is eliminated, the remaining variables value will be obtaining first. That means जो variable आप eliminate करते हो, उसका अलावा जो बचता है उसका value हमेशा पहले मिलेगा. उसके बाद eliminated variable का value मिलेगा. Now x is got. Now we have to find the value of y. For finding the value of y, it is better to use equation 2 because it is simplest form. Now see, I am putting the value of y equal to 2 here. 2 into 2 minus 2y equal to 2. That is 4 minus 2y equal to 2. 2y equal to 2. That is y equal to 1. That means we have solved these two equations and we got the value of x equal to 2 and value of y equal to 1. Now in the examination hall, I will give you a simple trick to check your answer is right or wrong. What you will do? You will substitute the values of x and y in both the equation. the equations are satisfying, your answer is absolutely right. तब आप निश्चिंत रह सकते हैं कि आपका आंसर सही है, आपको फुल मार्क मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स दिस इज एलिमिनेशन मेथड. एलिमिनेशन मेथड आपको एग्जामिनेशन में कोई मेथड से पूछता नहीं है. अगर मेथड से पूछता तो इट इज द चांस ऑफ coming cross multiplication method that we'll study later. Now, elimination method is better to use in word problem because it will not consume more time. And substitution method is, I suggest don't use substitution method until and unless you are not asked to do by that method. Now we can check this. Put the value of x equal to 2. 3 into 2, 6. Plus 4 into 1, 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Again 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2 into 1, 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. That is, both equations are satisfying. Your answer is completely right. One more question I will do. The remaining question you can do at your home. Now next question is same exercise 3.4 question 1 4th part. I am writing the question. X by 2 plus 2y by 3. 2y by 3 is equal to 1. Sorry, minus 1. And second equation is x minus y by 3 equal to 1. ये देखते हैं आप क्या करेंगे, उसको कोएफिशिएंट को फ्रैक्शन को रख करके आगे कोशिश करेंगे, लेकिन कभी ऐसा मत करना. Whenever you are getting equation with fractional coefficient, it is better to convert into whole number by taking LCM. And converting this by taking LCM by cross multiplication, you get 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Are you getting? That means see, we have converted the coefficient in 3 and 4. Then it is easy to solve it. Now in the second equation is, after converting in a particular form, very first step is naming the equation. If you name the equation, you will not do any mistake. Next one is 3x minus y is equal to 3, equation 2. Now see, by chance, by luck, you have got the coefficient of x are same, that is 3, 3. Now that headache is over. Now what is the next headache? You have to see the sign. Both are having same sign. If they are having same sign, which operation is done? Say subtraction. They are having opposite sign, which is to be done? Addition. That means 1 minus 2 gives, this is getting cancelled, 5y is equal to minus 1 minute. 5y is equal to, let me check the equation once more. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. And second equation is 3x. The equation I wrote wrong, sorry. The second equation given in the question is 3. Just correct it. So that second equation becomes 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now, after taking LCM, we made two equations. The previously I written it as 3 instead of 1 instead of 3. Then I did the correction. Now same sign, subtraction is done. 5y is equal to minus 15 implies y equal to minus 3. That means we got the value of y in this question first, because in this question we have eliminated x. जो भी eliminate करेगा उसका value बाद में मिलेगा. Now see which equation is better to use to find x, 1 or 2. 2. 2 is simple one. 2 gives 3x minus 3 is equal to 9 implies 3x minus 3 is equal to 9 implies 3x plus 3 is equal to 9 implies 3x is equal to 6 implies x equal to 2. That is the value of x equal to 2 and value of y equal to minus 3. Again you can check 2 by 2, 1. 2 into minus 3 by 3. 1 plus 2 into minus 3 by 3 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. First equation is satisfying. What is the second equation? Second equation, x is 2. 2 minus 3 by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is, both equations are satisfying. In this way, you can use elimination method to solve any type of question. Again, I am emphasizing, use elimination method to solve word problems. So that you will not take so much time. If you use cross multiplication or substitution, then it will be so much time consuming. And in each part of these questions of exercise 3.4, you have to do Again, you have to solve the given equation by substitution method that you can do by yourself. These are the problems based on elimination method. I think that you have understood this very much, and the rest of the question you can do by yourself. See you again. Thank you very much.